Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Happy New Year 2021. I, Muhammad Imtiaz Hussain, in charge of mathematics, class 4, Milestone Preparatory KG School, Sector 7. Welcome you today's class. Today, I will take your math class. You are new, me also new. New class, everything is new. So this is first class for you. Today we will learn about the books, about the syllabus and first chapter. So book, see the book. What is your book name? Yes, Elementary Mathematics Books, Class 4. Elementary, primary, basic. See this page. Explanation of character and symbols. Character. A dialogue between two students named Reza and Mina are shown in the textbooks. The mathematical concept of the students would be clear through their discussion and opinion. That means in this book there is lot of discussion. There is Mina and Reza and more students also, more dialogue. So we will read dialogues also. And see the second one. The steps have been identified by using some symbols in the lesson. See, this is key question. Key concept of the chapter has been expressed through this discussion. Then activities. See this symbol. You have to remember this symbol while we will solve this math. Okay. To solve the problem, a student will discuss and think logically with the help of the teacher. Now exercise. Already you understand exercise. You will solve this problem and we will help you exactly. A student will solve the problems. Progress of the learning can be assessed. See this page. This is content page. What are the topics included in your books? It expressed here. Chapter 1. Large number and place value. Chapter 2. Addition and subtraction. Chapter 3. Multiplication. Chapter 4. Division. Chapter 5. Problem related with 4 basic operations. Chapter 6. Mathematical sentence. Chapter 7. Multiples and factor. Chapter 8. Fraction. Chapter 9. Decimal. Chapter 10. Measurement. Chapter 11. Time. Chapter 12. Collection and arrangement of data. Chapter 13. Geometry. Chapter 14. Triangle. These topics in your book we will learn through full years. So first term, what are the topics we will learn? This is the first term syllabus. Am I right? Chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and chapter 13. This is the first term syllabus and this syllabus will complete with this first term. Today we are going to learning first chapter. What is the name of this first chapter? Yes, large number and place value. Large number. How large number? How large? Digit. A digit is a symbol which is used for writing numbers. There are 10 digits in mathematical. There are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is not digit. 10 is number. To write this 10, we need 2 digits. So what is number? Number are written by using digit. Actually, look, this 10, 12, 15, these are the number, and 100, lot of number we can write by using digit. 1 number, and digit also. Have you seen? 1 number and digit also, 2 number and digit also, but 10 number and digit not. 10 is 1 and 0, these 2 digit make 10. Have you understood? And oh, you are feeling bored. Will you sing song? Now one magical sentence I will teach you to read a big number. Magical sentence. Sur mantur su. What is that magical sentence? 3 2 2 3 2 2 3 2 2 3 2 2. Oh, are you feeling bored? This is my favorite song. 3 2 2 3 2 2. Read with me. Sing with me. 3 2 2 3 2 2. See this number. 64294 What is this number in the number? What is this is number? It is easy. I told you it is the second matter. 6,42,94,304. See the next one. 942,00421. 9,42,421. See this number. 1,2,3,4,5,6,7. What is this number? 12,34,567. How? This is the question. How I have used that on. I told you magical sentence. Magical sentence. What was the magical sentence? 3 2 2. Keep it in your mind. 3 2 2. Again 3 2 2. That is enough for this chapter to learn. See this number. 64294,304. I told you 3 2 2. From this side, from right side, we will give circle. How? 304. There is
3
a 2 digit. Circle it. 3. Then this side 2 digit. Another circle it. This side 42. Another circle it. So what will be it? 3 2 2. The digit number we have circled. From this line, look, this is the leftover. Crore, lakh, thousand, and 100. 100 column there is 3 digit. 1000 column there is 2 digit. Lakh column there is 2 digit, and crore. So if I indicate this side, this 6 is crore. Okay, done. Then this circle there is lakh column. What will be? 42 lakh. Then next one 94,304. And to know this number, we need to learn place value. We need to learn place value. Place value. We need to know the place value. The value of the place on a particular position in a number is called place value. So to know the place value, we need to know the numbers, position name. See from the right side, ones column, we know this is unit column also, we can tell. This is 10 column, 100, 1000, ojut, lakh, nijut, crore. So see, we have learned 3 2 2. See that 3, this is ones, tens and 100. This is the one circle. And 2, that is 1000 and ojut. This is also one circle, 2 digit. This is together 1000 column. Then ojut, lakh, nijut, lakh and nijut. This is the one column. Lakh and nijut. This is the one column. It is a lakh column together, we can tell 2 digit. So look, 3 2 2, done. And rest of the things is crore. Crore is the thing. We need to memorize this position name. Again, read with me. Ones, tens, 100,000, ojut, lakh, nijut, crore. Read with me. Loudly you will tell. Ones, tens, 100,000, ojut, lakh, nijut, crore. We will separate this part into 4 parts. We will separate this thing into 4 parts. 3, 2, 2. Done. Then rest of the things another crore column. 3, 100 column. 2, 1000 column. 2, lakh column. And rest of the thing is crore column. Easily we can identify any big number. Will you practice one thing? Will you practice how to read it? See this number 475924. What is in number? How can we read? Yes, use that magical sentence. 3, 2, 2. 3. In this first there is 924, 924. And second one 75. 3 for first column is from the right side, 100 column. Second column is 1000 column. 75 is there. So 75,000. Then rest of the part, lakh column. Lakh column is incomplete. That is only 4. So we will read 4,75,924. Wow, what easy. Now see the second one, big number 7490492. How can we read? Use that magical sentence. 3, 2, 2. Look, full column. 3 circle is there. So 100, lakh, 1000. How many lakh? How many lakh? Last column is lakh column. How many lakh? 74 lakh. 90,492. Will you practice? I am giving you one math for you. Write it. You have to take the copy. Write it. And by writing date, you must write 9405650. Can you tell this number? Write it fast. Yes, hurry. 9405650. What is in number in word? How can you express? This is important thing. Yes, you are right. Wow, you can use this 322, this magical sentence. 322. Yes, there is three circle. We know last circle is lakh column. What is in lakh? 94 lakh. What is in 1000? For 5,650. Wow, what an easy system to read big number. Now we'll go in your book. Some numbers over there. I think it become easy if you use 322, 322, 322. Keep it in mind, this sentence. If you use this magical word, any big number you can tell easily. Open your book, page number 3. Write in word. Now we'll learn how to write in word. Do remember that song? 322. Keep it in your mind. 87503. This number make by 5 digit. We will write in number. So 322 from the right side 3 digit. 1, 2, 3. Make it circle. Then this is 2. In place value, this is for 100 column, this is for 1000 column. Now it is easy to write it now. 1000 column. From the left side we will start to write in word. How many? 87 what? 1000. Yes, you are right. 80, 87, 7 what? 1000. Then now for 100 column already you have learned in class 3. 500. How many? 3. Is it easy? Yes, it is very easy for you. Then second one, I make it for you. 174250. Oh, it is big number. Our chapter name also, large number and place value. What is this number? That magical sentence, 322, 3 digit, 1, 2, 3, make it circle. Then 2 digit, make it circle. Then rest over here, 2 digit. Now, from the right side, this is for 100 column, this is 1000, this is lakh. Now you can write in your copy. How many lakh? How many? Yes, this is 17. Everyone can tell. 17. SEVENTEEN. 17 what? Lakh. 17 lakh. Then how many thousand? 40. 42 what? 1000. 42,000. Then how many? 050. How many? Yes, it is 50. Now is it easy? If I give you another one, go for another one. 100000000. Oh, it's a big number. But if you use this magical sentence, it will be easy. How it will be easy? 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. Then 2. Then 2. Then 100, 1000, lakh, and this is crow. How many crow? It is already gone up to crow. How many crow? It is, yes, 10. 10 crow. Is it easy? So, can you write in what this one? I am giving you time. Solve it fast. Hurry up. Or you can write in the comment. How many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit. This is the 6 digit number. 6 digits number. Use that magical sentence. What is that one? What is? Yes. 3, 2, 2. 3 for one box, 2 for another box, and this is not full box. So we know this is 100, this is 1000, and this is lakh. Now I think everyone can solve it. Can you? Yes? Yes? I am getting you. Oh, you are right. You are very excellent boy and girls. Yes, 4 lakh. 4 lakh. Then what is it? 59. 59. 59 what? 1000. 1000. Then how many here? How many here? 205. Exactly. 205. Now I think you understand very easy way. Okay. Now we will go for Page number 3, number 2 we will solve. Write in figure. Figure means with digit we will write. There is written with the words, we will convert into figure. See, 73,636. To write this number, we will use that song 322. We know 3 digit for 100 column, 2 digit for 1000 column. It is up to 1000. So we will make it box for 1000 to 2 digit. This is for 1000 and 3 digit for 100. 3 digit for 100. Make it box first. Now we will put the numbers 73,000. So we will write here 73,000. Done. Now 650. We will write 650 here. 650. Now use your comma. This is 32. Done. Next column 99 lakh. It goes up to lakh. So the place value with the position we will use from the right side. For 100 column 3 digit. Okay. Then after 100 there should be 1000 column. 1000 there is 2 digit. This is 1000. Now it is goes up to lakh. We know lakh column is 2 digit. Keep it in your mind these things. This is lakh column. Am I right? So what will be here? 99 lakh. We will write 99 in lakh column. Done. Then 99,000. For 1000 column we will write 99. Clear? Then 999. We know this is the last column. We will write 999. 999. This is all. Is it easy? Will I give you one math for you? Do it on math. Okay, I am writing here. See this number. 1 crore 5 lakh 2,608. Can you write? I am giving you time to write it. Complete it. Write it. Crow. Oh, have you forget that song? 322, 322, 322. Do it. Oh, are you thinking this is the what song? I love it. This is the mathematics song. I am math teacher. That is, I create this song. Invented by me. 322. Yes, this is the very important magical sentence to write any number in word, any number in figure. Write it. 322. 322. 3. Look. We know this is the up to crow column. That means all things will be there. 3 digit for 100 column. Make it 3 digit. Then this is the 1000 column. Then it is lakh column. And after lakh column there is 2 digit. Then this is the crow column. Say 1 crore 5 lakh 2,608. This number will make that magical sentence, match it. 322 and left of the side whatever it is. 3 digit for 100 column, 2 digit for 1000 column, lakh column for 2 digit. Now how many crow? We know it is goes up to crow. So we have to complete this number first. Crow, how many crow? 1 crow. I will write 1 crow. Done. Crow done. Cuts up to crow. Done. 5 lakh. In lakh column there is only 5. If I write 50, it will be 50. We have to write 05. That is, we can write 5 lakh. Done 5 lakh. Then 2000. How many thousand? 2000. There also will be 0, 2. If I write 2, 0, that will be 20. 0, 2 is 2. Everyone is know about it. 608. Now 608. It is easy to understand. So I think you will practice yourself. Another math I am giving you to do it. Okay? Sorry. Two lakh 2,002. Write it. Write it. 2 lakh. 2 lakh. Whenever we got the numbers first lakh, that time you have to remember 3, 2, 2 up to 2. These 3 types it will go. 3 digit for first, we will make it 3, then 2, then 2. Now we will write, look, 3, 2, 2, 2 lakh. Think about and write it in the comment box. What will be the right in figure? The number made of 7 lakhs and 310,000. This type of math, how can I write in digit? 7 lakh. Okay, we got the keywords lakh column. So we will make it 3 for the 3 digit for the on box. This is 100 column, and this is 1000 column, and this is lakh column. Lakh column is 2 digit. Okay, now 3, that is 7 lakh. So 7 lakh I will write 07 or only 7. Lakh done. Now 310,000. 310. What is the meaning of 310? Yes, 310 means 30,000. 310 means 30. So 30,000. And 1000, there is rest of the part will be 0. There is no 100 column. This on is 7 lakh 30,000. Have you understood? So if I go for another one, the number made of 100,000. 100,000. It is gone to 1000 column. 1000 column, that means 3, that is 3 digit. Then we will go for 2 digit. 1000 column. Done. 1000 column. In 1000 column, how many we have to write? 100 we have to write, but we have only 2 digit. So we will write 100 like this way. Clear? 100 like this way. Then 1000 column, 100 column, nothing. Then we will use 3, 2. Then actually what is this number? The number is what is? 1 lakh. The number made of 100,000 is 1 lakh. Do you have any question? Okay. I think you understand. If you have any confusion, you can ask us anytime. And do you know, I like them. Those students are asking me more questions. They are my favorite students. I like them most. And I will give them phone call. And I will take your picture and I will share your picture on my Facebook. Are you ready to be my good friend? So do the maths, listen to us, and you will be my best friend. I am searching my best friend. Okay? At last, homework. Every day you must do the homework. Every recording class there is one homework. So this is the first recording class, so that there is first homework. Whenever you will write homework, you must mention the serial number. So homework number 1, you will write in your copy. Homework number 1. And homework number 1 will be exercise 1.1, page 3, Nong 1 and 5. Exercise 1.2, page number 5, Nong 5. This math you will solve it and you will post in the respective group, then all the teacher will check your copy. If you have any confusion, please talk with the teacher. Thank you. Today our class is over. Allah Hafiz.